and far from mine. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Okay, so I've let my fabric and paper dry overnight, and this is the result. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It's kind of bendy and kind of got a plasticky feel to it. And you can see on this side where the material is that because the glue dries clear, you can see the pattern through the fabric, which I really like. So I'm thinking I might make this into a journal cover and maybe have this on the outside. And you can do more with this. Obviously once it's dry, you can paint on it, do, you know, put inks on there or paper, anything you want to. You can keep working on the surface. I might just leave mine as it is because I think it's nice the way it is. Very durable, you can't even rip it. And even where the fabric, this corner, the fabric's not really covering over this bit, it's still very plasticky and durable, and you can't rip the tissue paper. So you could do it without the fabric. I just wanted to do it with the fabric so it was a bit more, a bit less likely to rip for a journal cover. But seeing how this has turned out, it's still really, really strong. And I did add more glue to both the bottom and the top while it was drying. I added a bit more glue because I noticed some of these areas were a bit dry, so I think that extra layer of glue makes a difference as well. So probably if you didn't use fabric, just use a fair bit more glue, and you can just use your paper towels, or you can use napkins, any sort of paper really. This is just what I wanted to use. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I might even, when I make a journal out of this cover, I might even film that as well and show you my process. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll link my Facebook and Etsy shop below, and if you'd like to join me on Patreon, I'll link that below as well. You can get free printables from my shop every month if you join me there. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.